Hi friends, it's Petra here with another Bramble Fox video. This time I'm starting off with the circle template and I want to stitch a circle in the center of my page with my sewing machine. So no hand stitching this time. And I really had a pre-thought plan this time, which rarely occurs. So I started out with that stitched circle and I'm backing my photo and I'm using the Simple Stories collection Live in Bloom, and which is beautiful. And I'm backing the photo with the matching cardstock of the collection, and I'm using the blue and the light green one because I've fussy cutted all the butterflies in that collection. I adore butterflies, and I just wanted to create a circular layout using tons of butterflies. So it's an easy, fast layout this time. No fancy things or anything. But I had this idea about the butterflies in a circular way, and that's what I'm going to make. So I'm just arranging all the fussy cut butterflies, and I'm using only the blues and the greenish ones. And here I thought I used two small yellow ones, but and the title I'm using is the Relax title, and I thought it matches the photo perfectly. And we had a little gift in our Fox box a while ago with those gorgeous puffy hearts, and they are a bit fluffy. So I am using a dark blue and a lighter blue puffy heart. I call them puffy hearts. They're fabric, so. And I will link everything below, of course. And I'm only gluing down one side of the butterfly because I want to create dimension and interest in my page, and I think it's more fun when one wing is sticking up. It gives it a more playful look. So here I'm getting my cool hearts out. That's the name of the set. And in that set there are these opaque light blue matte frosted hearts. And I think they are so gorgeous, so I also use them. And I'm using my favorite Bramble Fox die, the film strip. And the dies of Bramble Fox are really high quality dies, and I love using them. And I thought it was a bit too empty on the top of that photo. So I decided just to use that film strip because I think the film strip die is the perfect dye to tuck underneath anything to create just the perfect embellishment. And for those of you who are wondering, I'm always using tacky glue or a regular other craft glue, which looks like tacky glue. And then I dilute it a bit with water so it will flow easily through my small bottle because I love to use a small bottle. So to finish everything off, I'm just splattering some oxide spray, um, and that's it. So I hope you like it. It's really a fast and easy layout, and hope to see you next time. Thank you so much for watching and see you soon. Bye bye.